Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya, and today, as you all know, that Holi is just around the corner. So I'm just gonna be sharing few tips and tricks on how you can prevent yourself from all those Holi colors, and how you can keep your hair, your skin, your nails, and everything just the proper way, so that it doesn't get damaged too much because of the colors. I think we all love the festival of colors, that is Holi. I mean, I absolutely love it, but I do tend to, spoil my hair because of it, my face because of it, because Holi colors are really toxic unless you are using herbal colors. So let's just quickly move on to the few tips that I'm going to be sharing it today with you guys to prevent yourself from all that Holi colors and still can enjoy the Holi and live it to your best. So let's get started. The first very important tip before starting the skincare and hair care and nail care is to remove all the ornaments from your body, be it your earrings, your rings, your bangles, your anklets, or anything like that, so that you do not spoil your ornaments because of the colors, because colors have the tendency to spoil the things. So as you can see, I have got two rings, so I'm just gonna remove it. So moving on to the second step, I think a white color is just too overhyped when it is come to Holi. I do understand white colors captures a lot of different colors and does looks beautiful, but at the same time, I think you can pick and choose any lighter shade of a color which you really want to discard, and you can use it for Holi. So as you can see, I have bought this very light green and blue mixed shade of a top, and with that I'm gonna pair it with a jean so that I do not harm my legs. So once you are done with your ornaments and with your clothes, now the first basic step towards the care is hair care. So see, as I have very long hair, so obviously, and I do have this color which will definitely get spoiled if I will not take care of it. So the first thing that I will definitely do is to oil my hair and make it a bun, like a high bun. Because when you oil your hair, firstly, when somebody applies color on your hair, then obviously it tends to slip out very easily, and you can easily remove all the colors that will be there on your hair. And if you'll make a bun, then obviously the surface area of your hair will be locked, and thus it will prevent the color not to get inside your roots, and when it will not reach towards your roots, it will not damage your roots. So I think it's very important to oil your hair and make it a high ponytail or a bun, whatever suits you. A lot of oil on my hair, because I really do not want my hair to suffer because of all the colors. So this is like I think it's almost shining also. As you can see, I have literally applied a lot of oil, and I've made sure that I have done this process on each and every hair strand that is there on my hair, so that I do not regret about it. So once you're done oiling your hair, just collect all your hair. Either you can make it like a high ponytail, or if you do not want to make a ponytail, then you can make a braid out of it. If not braid, then obviously you can just make a bun, like a high bun, like this. And just secure it either with a bobby pin or a clutcher or whatever suits you. We all love applying colors on each other, and it looks super cute, super pretty when you do that, but removing all that color is really a very big task. And secondly, the most important thing is Holi is the thing which you play during sunlight, so you tend to tan your skin as well. So we were going to be doing two things. Firstly, we're going to prevent our skin from suntan, and the second thing is that we will prevent our skin from colors as well. So how we will do it? So first thing is sunscreen, which is very very important. You should always apply sunscreen when you are moving out in the sun. And secondly, coconut oil is a savior. And if you do not have a coconut oil, you can use any particular oil that you like. and you can just apply it all over your body, be it your face, your neck, your hands, your legs, your feet, your entire body, you know, on your stomach and everywhere. Because again I'm telling you, because when you just wash off your face and your hands now, the colors will obviously come out with the oil, and you really do not have to do that extra mehnat with it. So I think it's very important. So I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock in the SPF 50. So use as much SPF possible as you can to prevent yourself from sun. So I'm gonna be taking a lot of it on my hands, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face and all the parts that will be exposed to sun, be it my hands, my face, my neck, anything and everything. And after that, you can use again this coconut oil, since I'm using it all over my body. So I'm gonna be using this coconut oil after my sunscreen on my face, on my neck, on my hands, and everywhere. Like, this is the thing, I'm gonna be using it all over my body, whether I have a part exposed or not. So let's just quickly do it. Now the next step is for your lips. So lips are equally very important, and if there is any color left on your lips, it will look very different from your entire body, and this will definitely create a problem. So what you can do is you can use a lip balm all over your lips first as a protector, because lip balms usually have the SPF also. So that will definitely help you to do not get exposed a lot to the sunlight. And after that, since it's a tinted lip balm that I have used, so I don't think that I require any lipstick. But if you think that you do not have a tinted lip balm like I have, then you can definitely go with the normal lip balm along with the lipstick. You can choose either any dark shade or light shade. That is completely your choice. You can color coordinate it according to your dress also, and you can definitely go for it. Now the fourth very important part that we will going to take care of is our nails. Nails are very, very important, because once the color penetrates in your nails, then it takes a lot of time, literally months to get it clean. So I think taking care of nails is really important. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to apply a very dark shade on my nails first, and then I'm going to apply the Vaseline on the inner side of my nails to protect them from the inner side also. And if I talk about the cuticles, I do have cuticles on my nails. So on my cuticles, I'll rub the oil generously so that no color stays on my nails at all, and especially on my cuticles, making them darker. So I am using this Masaba by Nykaa Nail Enamel. It's in the shade 279. And if I talk about the shade, it's Touch Me Not. That's how the shade looks like. So I'm going to be applying it all over my nails. And after that, let's just see. So guys, I've applied 2 coats of nail paint on my nails, because I just don't want my nails to get spoiled, so I always take extra care of it. But that's what I've done on the outer side. Now on the inner corners, like in the inside of my nails, I'm gonna be using the Vaseline. I'm just gonna make some Vaseline and I'll put it inside. If you do not have a Vaseline, then obviously you can put another coat of nail paint inside your nails also, so that your nails are prevented not just from outside but from inside also. So since I have Vaseline, I'm gonna be using this as a protector. And I'll just apply it inside my nails. The next step is for the nails only, and that is to apply all the some coconut oil around the cuticles. So you will have to massage it really well on the cuticles, so that there does not stay any color on your nails, not at all. So we are taking extra precautions for it, and we'll just apply the oil all over the nails. So again, I'm using the same coconut oil that I used earlier for my hair and for my skin. So I'm going to take a drop on it and I'll just put it on my nails. So guys, these were the few steps that you can definitely take care of, and you can have a safe Holi. So wishing you all a very happy Holi. Stay hydrated, do not stay long in sun, because that will obviously give you tan, and obviously sun and water do not really have a very great combination together. Do not stay in wet clothes for a really long time, and these are the few tips that I really wanted to share so that you guys can have a safe and a healthy Holi. So wishing you all a lots of love and a very happy Holi. Bye. Take care.